Have you ever wanted to personally create promos, reels, and even YouTube videos, but you're just so confused on how to turn your words into captivating visuals? Well, meet Runway's Gen-2, the ultimate powerhouse that turns simple text descriptions into full-fledged videos. With this cool new text-to-video AI, anyone can become a video creator extraordinaire. Let's dive right in. The days of struggling with complicated editing software or needing fancy production skills are long gone. Let's say you're sort of a newbie video editor and you want to create a video of a dog running to catch a ball. Now, the most common way for you to do that would be to actually throw a ball and make your dog fetch it, so that you can shoot the video yourself. This would give you the hands-on approach you're looking for so that you can capture the real essence of it. Another option for you would be to find and buy a pre-existing video that's similar to what you're looking for. Like how there are stock video platforms where you can purchase footage that matches your requirements. But recently, if you want to get creative and have some technical knowledge, you can even use generative AI tools to combine different images and create a video that simulates a dog running towards a ball. Very soon, you won't have to consider either of these options. With Runway AI Gen-2, the "if you can say it, you can see it" era begins. This AI model will allow you to create amazing videos using only words. Yes, you heard that right, just describe what you want, and Runway AI Gen-2 will make it come to life on the screen. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Runway AI? It's the ultimate creative suite of AI-powered tools that's about to revolutionize video editing like never before. With its impressive green screen tools, you won't have to stick with boring backgrounds. Instead, you'll be able to make any video pop by removing the background in a snap. Then there's the erase and replace feature. All you have to do is select any object in your video. Let's use our example of a ball in a game of catch, and with a simple request, Runway will replace it with anything you can dream up. Now, what if you want to expand your image beyond its original canvas? The Infinite Image tool will take your creativity to infinity and beyond by creating stunning visuals that seem to stretch endlessly. The best part, you don't need to be a pro to use these mind-blowing AI tools. Even complete beginners can perform advanced video editing tricks with just a few clicks. This is where Runway ML Gen-2 steps in. While Gen-1 could only generate new videos by using data from existing ones, Gen-2 has taken things to a whole new level. The team at Runway has been working hard on this groundbreaking model since last September, and now, thanks to them, the world is introduced to the first-ever text-to-video AI model available to the general public. You can use it to realistically and consistently synthesize new videos into awesome ways. First, you can use the composition and style of an image or text prompt and apply it to the structure of a source video. Or, if you prefer, you can use only text prompts to create your magical video masterpieces. Gen-1 was no slouch either. It was all about tweaking pre-existing videos, adding AI-generated overlays to shaky smartphone clips or crude 3D animations. But Gen-2 combines the best qualities of both generations, allowing it to apply the style and composition of an image or text prompt to the structure of a source video, resulting in entirely new and mesmerizing videos. This new AI tool can produce videos with a pretty good level of resolution. And, while they may not be photorealistic just yet, they still showcase the incredible potential of this cutting-edge technology. Deep neural networks for image and video synthesis are becoming increasingly precise, realistic, and controllable. In a couple of years, we have gone from blurry low-resolution images to both highly realistic and aesthetic imagery, allowing for the rise of synthetic media. You should also know that they are not the only ones in the game. Big tech giants like Google have been exploring text-to-video generation for a while now. This means that it's already a very competitive market, so we can expect the technology to improve and evolve at lightning speed. Each new competitor will bring fresh ideas and approach us, leading to even more exciting possibilities for text-to-video generation. Let us give you a tutorial on how it actually works. You can access this awesome software right in your browser or on your iPhone with the iOS app, so you don't need to worry about that. Now, the first thing that comes to our mind is budget, but that's also sorted. You get a total of 125 credits every month for free, and each credit equals 1 second of video you can generate. So, technically, that means you can make video sequences up to 4 seconds long, just like the paid plans. And that's not all. You don't want to waste your precious credits on videos that turn out totally different from what you had in mind, right? Well, no worries. Runway's got this preview button right next to the generate button. So, before you go all in, you can take a peek at 4 frames of how the AI might interpret your prompt. Then, you can decide if it's on the right track or needs some tweaking. Also, if one of those frames is exactly what you want, you can pick it and make it into a cool 4-second clip. The magic happens real quick, just a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how busy the servers are. And ta-da! Your video is automatically saved for you to download later and keep in your personal library. When it's all done, the MP4 videos are about 1 megabyte in size and have a resolution of 896 by 512 pixels in the popular 16:9 format. So, they look great and don't hog up too much space. How will this help you? First up, let's talk about speed and efficiency. With text-to-video, you can wave goodbye to those long days of filming and editing. Instead, you would be able to create a pro-looking video in just minutes or a few hours. Plus, it's super accessible. Unlike traditional video production that demands fancy equipment and expert skills, text-to-video is like an open invitation for everyone. No matter your tech expertise or budget, you can dive right in and create awesome videos. And another advantage is that it has the power to revolutionize how we share stories and information. From education to entertainment, from heartfelt stories to mind-blowing experiences, the possibilities are endless. Runway's footage packs are like treasure chests for your projects. They've got an incredible range of themes, from epic explosions to nostalgic 80s sci-fi B-roll. So with these user-friendly settings and advancements, you can bet that this software has incredible AI potential for video synthesis. Well, that's all for this video, guys. What are your thoughts on this new AI video generator? Do you think the future of text-to-video AI would really end up changing things? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more tech-savvy updates. Thanks for watching.